we are going to be discussing. Do you like this content? Do you like this page? Are you enjoying my video? Please share and recommend this page. Tell people about this page. Here we educate. Drop your comment in the comment section. Drop your prayer request. Turn on your notification bell. Subscribe to support us. So in today's video, we are going to be talking or discussing some things that you can do that will help your monthly flow to be steady. Not today 10, tomorrow 20. Before we do that, let me put a disclaimer that myself, Tochi, I am not a medical practitioner. Yeah, most of you might be surprised. I am not an expert too. I am a researcher. I am that woman that studies so hard. And after studying, I come here. I created this page to educate, to impart, to inform, to sensitize women that are trying to conceive. So why I'm saying this, if you have any issue, further question, please, there are people that are qualified to recommend or to prescribe any medication. I do not prescribe. I am only here to teach after conducting concluded researching by this same fertility expert. Please, Facebook, take note. So the number one thing is this: you should maintain a healthy weight. When you have a healthy weight, you will find out that your flow will be steady, will be regular. Let me use the normal word. So, but when you are overweight alone can make you to experience a lot of health issues that you wouldn't like. So make sure that you maintain a healthy weight. If you are overweight, try to work on yourself to make sure that your weight is normal. Another one is regular exercise. When we talk about exercise, people think it's all about running, skipping, jumping. No, there are minor exercise that you need to do, especially those that are trying to, become pregnant. You don't need any strenuous exercise. You don't need any hard exercise. You don't need exercise that will make you to enter into stress or depression. You need mild exercise like walking, like yoga. Exercise is very, very good. It makes your mind, your body, your brain to relax. It eases you off stress. So any exercise that will add stress to you, you don't need it. So you need mild. I've given an example of walking. Walking, I mean, is like you can just go for a stroll, look around. You can do yoga exercise. Yoga, I prefer yoga. Yoga is a very good exercise. It relaxes your body, it relaxes your brain, it relaxes everything, and it can even make you to overlap. So the next one is you should spice things up with ginger. Ginger is also good. Whenever you are cooking, put it in your meal. It's not medicinal. It's a very good spice that you can use to, cook. Another one is cinnamon. Cinnamon, I've been talking about cinnamon, but people do not understand because we don't conduct research. We only believe in what we hear from people. When you tell me to do this, do the other one, I'm going to make research about that thing you asked me to do. I am not that kind of person that you say, take this, do this, I will run. No, I will conduct my own research and find out my own things and find out why I should do that thing you are asking me to do. So try to be adding cinnamon. According to research about cinnamon, they say cinnamon is very, very good. It helps to balance your hormone. Go and make researches there. So if you have PCOS, endometriosis, fibroid, I think this should be your secret, right? So some people will say, you say cinnamon. How are we going to? Cinnamon, for crying out loud, is a spice. I use it to cook, especially when I'm cooking stew. Anything that I'm cooking except soup, I add cinnamon. It's a spice. It's not medicine. Remember, I tell you that I don't recommend anything. So another thing is that you should get daily dose of vitamins. Any vitamins that your gynecologist, your healthcare provider, your fertility expert prescribe for you, make sure that you take them. Sometimes we don't take it serious. You see some people, how can they tell me to be taking this every day? Am I going to be? In fact, there was a lady that has something, the doctor prescribed something for her. She said she don't want to be taking anything every day of her life. She stopped taking the medication and her situation got worse. So whenever you are prescribed anything by a medical practitioner, make sure you take it. And all of you that are going to people that are not qualified, that are not medical practitioners, you are endangering yourself. And that's why I tell you people, I am not a medical practitioner. If you're asking me to do this, you are wasting your time. I'm not going to do that because I am not qualified to do that. But if your doctor prescribe anything for you, make sure you take it. Another one is, apple cider vinegar. It's very, very good. It's apple. Then you can be adding it with your water and, be taking it. It's very, very good. Another one, pineapple. Pineapple is rich in vitamin C. Many vitamins impact with pineapple. So when you do all these things, you see that your flow will be steady. You will not be having people with this. It's not irregular, but people with this, sometimes it will be difficult for them to figure out when they are to ovulate or even when the egg will come out. So I believe you learn one or two things. Did I make sense in this video? I don't know. If I make sense, let me understand in the comment section. Before I leave you again, I will put a disclaimer that I'm not a medical practitioner. I'm not an expert. I am a researcher. I study. Like, seriously, I can study already concluded research and I come here to teach. So we are not here to mislead. We are not here to deceive. We are here to only educate the members of the public. If this is the kind of content you like, why not follow us? If you don't like, don't follow. Turn on your notification bell, subscribe to help us, and God will bless you. Mwah.